Well, I got bills to pay. I got 2 kids. I'm a single mom. That's all excuses. I look like somebody auntie, for real. Like, great auntie at that. You have the ability to change whatever you do not like. I just quit my goddamn job. I still eat fast food. I still eat candy. I still drink sugary drinks. If I attracted you, I'm always attracting things. Don't care, don't care. Hey, get up. Get up. You ain't think about no snack. Put the stuff up, throw it in the trash. Wipe the counter down.
Who you think? Do the straight side of the boat. You got that ruler.
You don't need that applesauce. You supposed to eat that before you be doing the most.
Alright.
Alright. Have a good day. I just quit my goddamn job. And I deserve to quit. They don't deserve me. They don't deserve me. They use me for their benefit, but not for my benefit. I was scared. I'm just gonna admit it. I was scared, just like most people. Oh, well, I got bills to pay. I got 2 kids. I'm a single mom. That's all excuses. That's all excuses. And it was all negative thoughts in my head. So, yeah. I've been working on myself enough to know I'm worth more than that. Anyways, let's go to the gym.
High volume.
He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak.
So I'm in the hair store looking for a wig. If you know me, you know I like simple hairstyles. I'm always busy, but I'm tired of the braids. I'm trying to elevate a little bit. And I'm also trying to grow my hair out, make it healthy. I think I found one. Oh, I got a new card.
Oh, you need to throw that one away.
My phone just died.
Shit.
Let me do 60
Or 60
on
pay the cash
on my
first.
card.
Or 60 on the card. All right.
Yes.
All right. Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much. Have a nice day.
You
Bye
too.
Bye.
Bye. So long, so thick, so healthy. Y'all see that? 24 inches down my back. Long hair, don't care. Okay, so no. I'm about to get ready to get my hair done. Well, my braid down. I'm using this, what you call it? Minoxidil 30-day treatment. I've been using this for a while to help thicken and regrowth my hair where it was pulled out on the sides. And I feel like it's probably only been like 2 weeks. I feel like it's doing really good. But this is the 5%. I might just go ahead and order another 30-day treatment to see how the results work out within 90 days. And I'm about to get my braid down. Yeah, y'all seen me buy my wig from, well, y'all didn't see what type of wig, but I bought me a wig from the beauty supply store.
I'm gonna be in a video.
You are in the video. And I'm about to get my braid down so I can apply the wig. And I want to get this type of style so I can like leave my hair alone so it can grow back while I'm using this treatment. Ooh, dang it.
I'm doing my Barbie hair done with the water.
You doing your Barbie hair? Okay.
I put your hair.
That's why, I don't know. I'm grateful that I don't have to go out and pay a lot of money to get my hair done. Because if I'm not gonna do it, I got somebody that's gonna do it for me. For the free ski. Okay, so we just gonna do some straight backs.
Straight back?
Yeah.
Straight to the back.
Straight backs. That's what they call straight backs, Mom.
Okay. Do you want some baby hair out?
No, my wig gonna be on.
Okay. Well, I got to know what you're trying to get. You just want to braid it down.
Yes.
So you can keep it greasy.
Yes.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach, there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Understanding that my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. You come around this side, I see you.
Okay, so the braid down is done. It ain't tight. I know it look tight because I'm bald head a little bit, but it's tight enough where my braids is gonna last and lay flat. So we're about to go ahead and put my wig on. I'm about to see how I want to do it. But yeah, let's get into it.
In the zone, you're nervous when you're gone. I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing the stars outside.
This is definitely gonna have to grow on me, cause why I look old? I look like somebody auntie, for real, like great auntie at that. I don't know why I thought I was gonna be giving Cash Doll a little bit. Like, you know, in order to grow, you gotta try new things. So here we are. We're doing the curtain bang. Now this is a synthetic wig. This probably will not last long unless I take it off every night and make sure I brush it and put the little conditioner stuff in it. But I don't plan on keeping this on very long, and that's another reason why I got it a synthetic wig, because I didn't know if I was gonna like it or not, right? And just in case, like, I want this type of style with some human hair, maybe a sew-in or something like that, at least I know what this style will look like on me. But this is it. I got this in a 1B, y'all, and this is the name of the company, and this was the style. Like, I feel like the style it looks just like the picture. I just gotta figure out how I want to style it on me per se. But yeah, here we go. The new look. Good morning, y'all. I keep hearing, oh, that's a car. I'm really trying to get with this wig. I hope I don't flake and go and buy another wig, but I don't know. My goal is to do 4 miles. I've never done 4 miles of anything. We're gonna wear our 12-pound vest to make things a little bit more challenging. I think I'm gonna do walk, jog. I'm gonna jog on some laps. But the goal is 4 miles. And I usually have this little ring to keep track of my miles, but I always like to use the Nike Run app. And no, this is not sponsored or anything. I've been using this app for years. I had this app, can y'all see? Since 2015. Ooh, that's how long I've been trying to lose weight.
Do you want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit, some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feeling when the custom true. I swear I'll be a piece of the world for you. Only that you love me beside me. But if you fuck me, then fuck you, and that's the way I like it.
Okay, y'all, so I am on my way to my old job to drop my laptop and my other little belongings that I got from them, all my tech stuff, to turn in to make it official to be done with working for this company or with this company. per se. But I just want to say this, like, don't ever feel like where you at right now is permanent. Everything that you're going through and everything that you're dealing with, your situation is temporary. You have the ability to change whatever you do not like. Just keep that in mind. Like, you can change. If you don't like something or you don't want to be somewhere, you can change that. You have the power to change that, and it's up to you to take that control back from other people, other things. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave y'all with that. Let's go drop my equipment off.
Going to get 5 picks.
What position you play?
Middle linebacker.
What else?
That's it.
Center.
No, mama, don't delete that.
Let's go! Almost, Tank, almost! Let's go, defense! No, because I think I done enough hooting and hollering for the day. I'm at my son training. Well, he just started back training for real, for real. I'm really trying to push myself and push my kids to be the best version of themselves too. So it's Sunday morning. We got him out here training. I just worked out as well. And I don't know if I told y'all, but like when I first started my weight loss journey, I was like at 100, no, not 100. I was at 325 pounds. That was like 3 years ago. Last year, I finally got down to like 212, right? 212, 215, something like that. And then last year, I started taking my weight loss journey like really, really, really serious. And now I'm down to 174, 175. The thing is, I've been 174, 175 for like 3 months. And I'm just gonna be honest. I'm not gonna sugarcoat a damn thing with y'all. I still eat fast food. I still eat candy. I still drink sugary drinks. I don't do it as often. I think I work out more than I eat that stuff, but I still work out and eat it, so it defeats the purpose. So I have slacked when it came to my discipline with eating clean and just staying away from the things that I know that cause me to gain weight or not lose weight at all. So I just started Tony's Fine Fitness Plan. She's on TikTok. Found her on TikTok. Been following her for years. And now that, you know, I started my journey on my own, I'm stuck. And I'm like, I don't have time to be meal prepping, meal planning, coming up with meal ideas, calculating all this stuff like I did in the beginning. Being that I have other things on my plate. And I'm trying to get serious on YouTube, so y'all better subscribe because I'm trying to get real serious. I'm trying to keep the content up for y'all. But anyways, so I have Tony Fine's plans, a 6-week plan, and I'm working out. Today I just kind of did my own full body workout just to kind of jumpstart my journey. But when I get home, we're going to meal prep, y'all. I already got my food, went grocery shopping yesterday. I'm going to go shower, and then we're going to meal prep. I'll see y'all at the house.
If I attracted you, I'm always attracting things. Baby, say when we can do it.
The key to having a quick, easy meal prep is to clean as you go.
Cause you just wanna play with my honey. I seen you with the girl at the party. You think I'm just gonna stand nobody? Want you waste my time, but I of course I love you, Johnny. You think I'm just gonna stand nobody? Want you waste my time, but I am way too fine. You think I'm just gonna stand nobody? Want you waste my time, but I am way too fine. You think I'm just gonna stand nobody? Want you waste my time, but I am way too fine. You think I'm just gonna stand nobody? Want you waste my time, but I am.
Not open, mommy. So I meal prep all my protein. I got my ground turkey in these containers. I will be eating 3 ounces each meal. Move, mommy, stop. And then I have my cabbage. This really only probably gonna last me for about 2 days, maybe 2 days. And then my skinless chicken breast in this container. And I don't know about you, but like I don't like meal prep food, like old food a lot. Like a day old is probably the best I can do. So this is gonna be for tomorrow, probably for 2 days like I said. And then Tuesday I will meal prep more. What's today? Yeah, Tuesday I'll meal prep for Wednesday and Thursday, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, So I'm about to enjoy the rest of my Sunday. So that's it. That's all.